Matt Simcheski. I'm a graduate student at Old Dominion University in the Ecological Sciences. The BGSO, Biology Graduate Student Organization, it's an academic thing. It works as a liaison between the students and faculty. And part of that is we do some community service projects. And one of our typical projects is a wetland cleanup. We come out, a place such as this, twice a year, and we basically pick up garbage. This year we took it a step further.
I came out here today to help these guys plant some Spartina in this wetland restoration project.
Normally we spend like hours in our lab and all that. Still, it feels so good to be out here. Like, we're working together. I mean, we get to know each other well as we're contributing something to the society.
So we got 3 different species of wetland plants that we're planting out here today. 2 species of Spartina. These are just natural plants that are found in wetlands all over, and what they do is they hold the soil and they keep the nutrients in the soil so that other organisms can come and use these nutrients and eat the grass. Like these fiddle crabs here, they'll go through and make their burrows in here, and then that'll bring in birds and other organisms to feed on the crabs.
Depending on if the geese get in here and eat much of it, and if you have to replant any, but in the next year or two, it'll fill in. Those grasses grow pretty fast, and they spread by rhizomes, so they'll fill in that area pretty quickly.
Do you feel you've accomplished something today out here?
I feel I have to do something as my part as a student and as a resident of this place, so I feel I'm contributing something to the place I'm in.
Whether or not a project this big is going to make any impact firsthand, probably not, but the idea is that we're trying to grow. We're trying to grow out of this small project. Between the project you see across the water and this project, we're trying to expand this small restoration into the entire Kali Bay. We're trying to expand the Kali Bay into the Lafayette River. We're trying to expand that into the James River, into the Chesapeake Bay, and then we're going to really see some differences.
If you look around, you can see that there are birds already starting to come in, and it's just something that's really important. And when people see that the community is helping out and working on this sort of stuff, then it sort of gets them involved and gets them interested.
This today, even though what we're doing here, this marsh is not going to change the bay, it's not going to improve the water quality right off the bat, it's not going to completely secure the shoreline. It's a first step. It's a good example. It's fun.